Ladies and gentlemen, in I can for Ofonye Ndebo Juedi Bube, Fuebody film Neza, in the person of Super Chiefs as St. Peter Desungorogu. Just arrived here right now in China, accompanied by the chairman of Ebony community in China, in the person of KTV, and Ayo, the Nigerian community welfare in China. Never quite when I've got law Odogu. Behind every successful man, there is a woman. Now for what Zazubitas. And also, in the by my right hand side, now for EJP, EJP foam, EJP oil and gas. Abadugo TV, Nulieke, Adijele, Nanki Bazua. And now for what age was a B2 bomber, where my company. Then this is by my left hand side, now for Funwa, the liquid money, liquid cash. In this life, whatever you are doing, do it with all your heart. Hey, you can have also enough for such money. And because when I have Alomako neighbor in state, Alomako is already very important and keep us on Udasu number, another number, or you can have F22 Raptor. Abadugo could I run, but okay, Babyoku, welcome. Just like a few days ago, I tried to land in Beijing. I be a baldo if Kobogi said, Abadugo, we're quiet and where say I am back. No, get you get a debijaba, DJ. Enough was a Mechi, special advisor to let say find your Bawrao, may you so rest in peace. I may just see you from one more Nibukuda or if the one name call for. Then there's over the one yana share the number of one medication kingdom. China medicine, I know if on Archie on Archie. We are here at the Bayo International Airport to welcome Ofonye Izajuedi Ebube. Born in the person of baby Oko Biabadugo. Back on farm go Ibubo, where Republicans. Abadugo is now where Ibubo, where Republicans. This is the taking off. Kaibia welcome in and I for them. Ogarayabu on your chaw. Ogarayabu again, Abu on your chaw. It was a powerful ride. AG Abia Eburu, Babyoku and his entourage, and also with his beautiful wife, Wada, Anambra State. Behind every successful man, Legaregwa for a woman. And behind every man another father, and why they can involve, or depending in case of the word. But why able was why they made dear or dear bube, Babyoku, should be Zion industry. I see you. Now let's go. Ebaga Badom Azi Bogeni film, Ken TV, it was the cave in a motano, Budabe, boy. GLE 450. Don't quite convertible and leaky. A day bottle. China will make you humble. Make it, now the porch, Jesus. Now the porch, Anna, Pono, Boda, or because of China, I have a bit and keep as well. Liquid money. One thing here, I let you do, baby. And now two, the way your brother here, but the Wakaribu, when Gabasi. Hey, Chindeke goes to the Kenya work. I'm going to watch it. Because in the comment section, if we end the human coma, now type, God bless you. Remain blessed. God bless you. Don't come here and bring your frustration. Better be in your advice. Okay, G will go kegi. Go every as bomb muddy. I got a babu on the trouble. Media was say, Babas, no, watching there within the bay. Come, I was a bar. Madam, I'll come back bomb on your way. Say bomb number of Wego, no Wego easy. All right, let's go there. I'll be right back. My name is Jpac. Thank you.